right, number 17 wants you to do a projection of U onto V. And that's the formula you need to remember. You would say the projection of U onto V. So notice how I wrote the big U is the of, and then the sub letter is the onto letter. And let's do the formula. First of all, it's a dot product, so that's not hard. And then the bottom is the magnitude of V squared and times V, the vector V. So I guess we could just put times V. Now, look. Notice that the V is the thing that's used the most. That's the sub letter. So dot product is the only thing that has the U in it, just to help you remember that. So dot product would be negative 45 plus negative 24, which is negative 69. So that's what we're going to have for our dot product, negative 69. Now, the magnitude of V is equal to the square root of 81 plus 9, which is the square root of 90. But then that magnitude is squared, so 90 squared is equal to 90. Square root of 90 squared is equal to 90. So far, I have negative 69 over 90 minus not minus, and then that would be multiplied by 9 and 3. So if you do that, it's negative 69 times 9 over 90. I'm not multiplying it out yet because I can cross out. And negative 69 times 3 over 90. So let's simplify that to, this can cross out and go to 10. So negative 69 over 10. And let's see, this would go to 30. And then you can divide this by 3 and you get 23. So negative 23 over 10. So that was 17. That's the projection, so remember this formula for the test. Number 18 would be, 3D in component form. We're just doing the component formula, so it would be 5 minus 0, negative 1 minus negative 3, and negative 3 minus negative 1. Just because it's 3D, we do 3 XYZs here. So that would be 5. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2, and negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So I got 5 to negative 2. All right, number 19 just wants the magnitude of a 3D vector, so that would just be the U magnitude would be 1 squared plus negative 4 squared plus 4 squared. So that's the square root of 1 plus 16 plus 16. So that's 33. So U is the square root of 33. All right, the magnitude of U. And one last question to go through. Number 20. So they give you, they want you to find the component form of the resultant vector when you find negative 4u minus 7g, given these two 3D vectors. So it's nothing more than how we would do it with 2D vectors. So let's multiply the first u by negative 4, so that becomes 8. And then 5 times negative 4 is negative 20, and 9 times negative 4 is negative 36. And then we're going to subtract. Let's just do it with, and multiply everything by 7. So that would be negative 21 for the second one, 49, and negative 28. So see if I did this right, that would be 8 plus 21, which is 29. negative 20 minus 49, which is negative 69, and negative 36 plus 28, which would be a negative 8. So that's the answer for number 20. And there's the review session. The test will be very similar to those questions. Nothing more on there, nothing different. Just different kinds of problems. Same topics. All right, so I'll see you the next day for the test during regular test time. Last test, we're going to do one other thing that I want to get done so everybody's ready for calculus, and then we'll start reviewing for your final exam next.